In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Surveymonkey questionnaire by using sections, also known as pages. Creating sections is an incredibly effective way to keep your survey clean, logical, and easier for respondents to navigate. Let's get started with adding and managing these sections. First, we turn our attention to the Design Survey tab. This is your main workspace where you'll be designing and adjusting your survey. From here, you'll want to locate the Build menu, which is your toolbox for adding different elements to your questionnaire. Think of it as your command center for making structural changes. Now, to add new sections, you'll want to scroll to the bottom of the Build menu. There, you'll find the option to drag and drop a page break, or even create a new page. Imagine these as dividers, or spaces in a book that organize information into chapters. Simply click, drag, and release your chosen element to the desired spot within your survey. This will effectively segment your questionnaire into clear, manageable sections. Alternatively, if you prefer using toggles, Surveymonkey provides a couple of handy options. You can toggle a page break between questions if you're looking to insert a section divider in the middle of your survey. This keeps related questions grouped together seamlessly while still offering a logical flow. If you're at the end of constructing your survey and you want to create a brand new section, you can easily toggle New Page at the bottom. This is perfect for ensuring each section of your survey has a fresh start. Now, it's important to keep in mind that once you've added a page break, it can't be undone. But don't worry, there's flexibility built into the system. If you need to change your survey's structure later on, you can delete a page and easily move those questions to other sections. This gives you the freedom to experiment with the layout without feeling locked into your initial choices. By comprehensively organizing your survey into neat sections, you'll not only make it easier for your respondents to navigate, but you also eliminate potential confusion. This clarity can lead to more complete and insightful responses, as participants are more likely to engage thoughtfully when information is presented clearly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance the respondent experience by utilizing pages in your Surveymonkey questionnaire. As you can see, these sections are an integral part of creating a coherent and engaging survey. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.